John Pyro, test fire.
Pero mga boss, no? So ito pala yung super quickies natin, hyperload. So testing tayo ng isa, apat, tapos barrage. So quality test tayo mangyayari dito mga boss. So yun, abangan nyo na lang. Super quickies, hyperload, test fire. Quality. Quickies, hyperload, test fire. Super quickies, hyperload, test fire. Quality.